Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I don't need much of your time today, but I am going to show you a super simple way to make these prettier. Stay tuned. Y'all, I like these just as they are, but with a few quick tweaks, we can make them prettier. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel, and thank you so much for choosing to be here today. So y'all, I bought a whole bunch of burlap flowers from the Dollar Tree. There were 3 different styles, and I bought all 3 different styles. But in a recent haul video, I think I shared with you that I was going to show you a very quick way that we can take these and just dress them up a little bit more. So I'm going to switch to my overhead camera, and I'll give you a closer look at what we're going to be doing. And once we start, don't blink because this goes very quickly. All right, here's another look at those burlap flowers. They're calling them burlap stickers, but these are actually dimensional flowers, and they will work beautifully on your paper craft. So what I'm going to do is take one of these and show you how we can turn it into these beautiful little toppers with just a few embellishments. Before we do start making it, I want to share this with you. I found these paper clips at the Dollar Tree. They already have nice little toppers on them. And y'all know me, I'll see something and I'll think, well, yeah, it'll work as paper clips, but I wanted these for the toppers because I envisioned them being embellishments. So I'm going to show you how we can do this, and then I'll show you another neat little idea that I had. So y'all, it's going to be very simple. We're just going to take that flower off, and once you get your fingernail underneath, that topper pops right off. Save it because we can use it on something else. But I'm using scraps, and I'm going to do some old-fashioned cutting that you probably did when you were in grade school. We're going to make some very rough little leaves here. Nothing over the top, just very, very elementary and simple. And I only want 2, but there are my leaves. So I can take those, and I'm just going to go ahead and just glue these 2 leaves together with a little bit of hot glue. I'll take this and just put it on top. Oh, like that. Then let's take a piece of my crinkle seam binding, and I'll have a link for this crinkle seam binding in the description box, as well as a 10% off discount code. And I want that bow to go right there. So again, I'm going to take just a little bit of glue, and I'm going to place my bow down right there. Now I'm going to bring in my toppers, and I think I'm going to grab the paper clip that says love yourself, and all I'm going to do is go on the back and peel away. So now I have my little topper, and I have a functioning paper clip if I want to use it on something else. So I've added my glue. I'm going to take my glue, put it right there in the middle, trim away just a little bit of that crinkle seam binding. Now I can take my little leaves, and you can see that I'm using leaves that are different colors, and they have patterns on them. So we don't always have to go with the solid color when we're doing this. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the back. I can take this, put it down like that. And y'all, now I have another really beautiful topper for my project. Here I just used the head of a brad, and I glued it down. And on this one I used Good Vibes Only, and that made it very simple. I'm going to show you one more thing really quickly. Remember, I said this was not going to be a long video. I'm going to peel away that topper, and of course I want the topper that says be kind, and I'm just going to peel away the back. and I'm just going to add some glue. And that's all I'm going to do to this one, because y'all remember this bow that I made in a short video? Well, I'm going to take this bow, and we can take bows like this, and we can replace that center. So I am just going to take my glue. I'm not going to remove anything from that bow. Take the center, and I am going to put it right there. So now I've given my bow a totally different look just by using something that was already made for something else. I simply took the tops off of my paper clips, used them as the centers on these three, and on this one I did not add any additional crinkle seam binding. I just left it as it is. And y'all, this burlap flower is pretty, but look at what we did to it. We made it prettier. Look at how we dressed it up. Now we have all of these wonderful toppers that we can place on our projects. I might even make a nice little bag and place this on it so that you can have an idea of how to use this. You can also use this as an autumn corsage. You can add a whole bunch to it, or if you want, place a pin back on it and use it as a chest corsage. So many different ways that you can use that little cutie there. But I love these bows, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video because it's super simple. And y'all, you don't need these to make it. Go through your stash, find something that you would like to place in the center of yours, and have fun doing this. Now, if you do have a Dollar Tree and you're looking for these, I also found them in this style. They are located, or they were located in my Dollar Tree at the register. So make sure if you're looking for these, check the register or check the school supply section, but mine were at the register. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun way to take these and turn them into this. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.